Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, we picked up a few new excavator attachments, so we're going to get these unloaded. Alright, so we got the little mini skid steer out. Now it's been sitting in the garage probably a week or two ago. I was out playing with it a little bit in the snow. And since then, I noticed that the choke, as well as the fuel throttle, was actually frozen up. So I actually had to take a hair dryer. And I would say there's a little bit of moisture that goes down the lines and hangs out at the bottom there. So I had to take a hair dryer to actually unthaw those in order to actually be able to use the throttle and choke. So there's the pallet forks. There's the CF Moto 1000 Overland. Be finishing up the plowing once I get all this unloaded. So we'll get all the straps off. We'll put the little ramp down, and then we're going to drag everything towards the back of the trailer so we can reach it with the pallet forks. Alright, so what we're going to do is drag it back to the end of the trailer with a couple straps. This is the 4-in-1 bucket, so this is roughly 300 pounds as per the label there. So we're going to drag it right back to the end. That way I'll be able to get the forks under it. Now you can see how useful these are. I find I use the pallet forks more than any attachment on the mini skid steer. This is 300 pounds and I picked that up like it was nothing. That one's going to be a little heavier. It's around 500 pounds. So what I'm going to do is maybe put this outside. I want the box to dry. When I was coming back from the auction yard there, it's pretty soaked just so it doesn't get mildewy. So we'll park her over by the four-wheeler. There you go. I just wanted to demonstrate how much these little machines can actually lift. Again, this is not at max capacity. I believe that is 431.2 pounds, and that's 299 pounds. You're not going to budge these if you're lifting them by hand, and that lifted it with ease. Anyways, just a short video on using the pallet forks on my little mini skid steer. If you'd like to see some new videos, make sure you post it below in the comments, some videos you'd like to see. Again, we're going to have some more videos with the C-Force 1000 Overland. We'll do some nice plowing videos once we get a nice dumping of snow. This mini skid steer is actually for sale. Got the QX20R. That's actually replacing this. Again, like always, if you have any questions, comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in this type of videos, and hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.